What would you do if your husband woke up listening to music like this? What would you do? So this is what I'm wearing today. Just some chill. Mom life, I'll have you out here like. It's been shaping up to be a pretty busy weekend so far. I'm just making Ann a little water juice cocktail for the road, just in case she gets a little bit thirsty. Last night we went to the Winter Wonder Fest at Navy Pier, which was, it was nice to be out with my ships and enjoying each other's company, but I really didn't think the Winter Wonder Fest was all that. It was a little bit underwhelming for me, and I don't think Ann was really feeling it either. Plus the kids were really sleepy. It was we had gotten a late start and we were there until the thing closed, which was 10 p.m. so imagine a bunch of 2-year-olds running around at 10 p.m. so it was kind of a little bit of a hot mess there, but overall I think they enjoyed it. So tonight it's mommy's night out pretty much. My ship Stephanie is having like a little Christmas sleepover get together thing at her house, so we are going to that. So after we do the Santa thing, which I probably won't vlog because it's in connection with her school and I don't want to vlog that. So afterwards we're gonna go to Walmart because I need to buy some cute holiday pajamas, and my mom is gonna be coming over to hang out with Ann tonight while I go to the slumber party thing, and then Anthony, I think he's gonna go hang out with his friends too or whatever. So it's gonna be a good weekend.
Her eyes are striking.
Oh.
Stunning. Oh my goodness. You want a cookie?
She's like, does that beard have shea butter on it?
Merry Christmas. Dry.
Oh, how cute. Okay. Anthony is so silly. He said these are Hulkamania 5s. What did you call them, Anthony? What did you call them?
Oh, those some Hulkamania 7s.
Hulkamania 7s.
Son, you want some greens?
Bring whatever you got.
Yeah, make greens, Mom.
Some greens tonight.
Love greens. My favorite thing to eat, greens. I don't want to go to the grocery store. Yeah, that's a whole nother, you got to be in the mood for that. Even though I need to go, but not today.
I gotta go because I know y'all got nothing over there for me. All that vegan stuff, I need meat. No.
She said all that vegan stuff, I need meat. We lotion up right quick. I got this little miniature guy in my bag because it's about that time, y'all. I'm a little elf. This dress looks terrible. But anyway, I'm dressed finally. So now I'm gonna head to the party. I tried to do my makeup festive with like some green and gold. I tried. I just put on my little hat, put my hair underneath the hat because I really wasn't feeling it. That's it. I'm probably just gonna put on my boots and just bring my little house shoes with me. So I got this dress from Walmart when we went to Walmart earlier, right? I got this dress, and then I got these little slippers. They make so much noise, but they're so cute and fun. Perfect for a Christmas sleepover, I guess. And Anthony must have just put on cologne because I smell it strong. So, yeah.
What's up, ladies?
It smells good. What's up, ladies? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Where are you going? I'm just getting a little overnight bag just in case I stay the night. It's supposed to be a holiday slumber party, but I have no real intentions on staying the whole night. But if I do, if I end up getting too tired and don't want to drive back, because it is about a 40-minute drive, so I'm just trying to bring some stuff just in case I have to do that. So just the basics. Okay, that should do it. But like I said, I doubt I stay the night. But if I do, at least I'll have my stuff because my mom is here. So Anthony, did you drink my IPA?
What?
Did you drink my IPA?
No.
Hun, I wanted that IPA.
I didn't drink it. I did.
Oh, then why is it right here? You were
You
gonna?
gave it to me.
Oh.
But I didn't drink it. I was starting to.
Okay, well, I'm gonna take it because I really want this IPA. Unless you really want it, but I really want it. I'm trying to get into the spirit, but I'm really not that much into it.
It's that grandma's baby.
Chestnuts roasting.
Stephanie with this holiday brooch.
Yes, I do. Merry Christmas, y'all. It's the girls' Jamma Jam.
It's so nice. Look at it. Nene says she feels like she's in Macy's.
And then I have a red 12.
Look how beautiful.
Wait,
Got cookies and reindeer and
I know you hate the game.
9-footer and some cute decor. So nice. Look at all the Santa pillows. And then let me show you guys over here. It's like, it's always a nice little fun bar. And ooh, these are so damn good. She needs to hide these for me. They're like some kind of rich tart cherry. Oh my God, they're so good.
Wait a minute, let me get my
Stephanie, what did you say these cherries were called?
They're just like dark. They're not maraschino. They're actual real cherries. Should eat them because I
They are so good.
Oh,
Let me, cause I'm gonna get this. Okay, I gotta get this. I'm obsessed.
yeah.
So anyway, there's Inessa.
I feel like I want to get in the middle of the floor and be like this, like I'm making snow angels.
We got, is this pigs in a blanket?
Well, we about to turn this mother out.
And then Santa's here. And then we've got
Fresh off the press.
wine.
Know what time it is? Don't know, now you know.
Now you know. Are these chiquitos?
These are chiquitos.
These are chiquitos?
Yes, they are. They
What's
are
in them?
Chef, those are chicken and cheese.
They are hella homemade.
She's trying to find a vegan.
Yeah.
And then she's got her air fryer. No, I'm good. I already ate. I'm decent. Don't worry about me. Listen, don't worry about me. I'm eating this. Here, Nene, I got you this one. Red lipstick.
Oh, thanks, Chef.
I wanted to get your artistic
Oh, was it on?
it is absolutely on.
Oh no.
It is absolutely on. Oh, slay all day. Oh, we gotta capture everyone's like fun sweater thing, everything. Wait a minute, she took it all the way, honey, with the fireplace. Okay, so I mean, how cozy do you need to be, honey? You know,
Burning up right now.
that is so clever. But this is really fun.
That was mine.
Which one
This
is
is called chalkboard. This is just so fun. Not Santa's workshop. Okay, I was warned. They said it was gonna be like Santa's workshop down here. Let's see. Another tree. Oh, this one's got the mixed metals. Now this is cute, y'all. It's like gold. It's like rose gold, yellow gold, and silver, and like a champagne-y gold. Wow, this is beautiful. I love that. How can you have so much Christmas decorations? Oh my goodness. Everything is decorated. Hey, little mini me. Oh, they're snuggles. But how, like there's decorations everywhere, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. It was almost like this for Thanksgiving, but Christmas, it goes a little harder. And here's a picture of Preston, because Stephanie is his godmother. Oh my goodness. Look at this, honey. And then they've got the cute little rose gold metallic dipped glasses. That is so much fun. I love metallics, you guys. Look, 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 look. This is Stephanie's little office. Oh my goodness. And look at this little tree. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just love, oh my God, look at the nutcrackers. So glittery and cute. First of all, Shep, this is most definitely a rose gold wonderland. It's so nice. I can't believe it.
Look at my tree changing. No.
Everywhere you turn, it's like some fucking rose gold. Stop right down Santa Claus Lane.
Here comes
Have you been naughty or nice?
Vaughn, whose list are you on?
I know. Naughty and proud. No, I'm just kidding.
Checking
Hi,
the liquor,
Santa
checking
Claus.
twice. See what I said, you at. What liquor we indulging in today? What,
You can have whatever you want. There's vodka, there's bourbon, there's whatever you want.
what would you all like?
Is the
So I
living
can
room
chill it.
speaker not working again?
Jenny is vlogging for us right now. Thank you.
I wanna get free.
You got her.
Free. I was not the shotter.
You right, I messed up. Listen, Bart, the thing is, players mess up sometimes. Players mess up sometimes.
Boy, it's messed up sometimes.
Wait, so Jenny, did you made this thing here?
And it's good and cold. I had it chilling over cheese.
This is my favorite dish.
Oh,
It's chicken.
Brussels sprouts, chicken, and then
Thyme and
We want to
rosemary
take a picture of this.
Do I see apples?
and apples.
Oh, is that sweet potato or what?
Sweet potato.
Oh, so it's like sweet savory. All right.
Okay.
I love it. That might be good. So we're about to take a shot. Shots be nasty, but Nene promised that she made this taste good.
Wait, come here, Steph.
But these are the cutest. They're like mason jar shot cups.
Hurry, children, but on here. Come on, get the shot.
Okay, come on,
It
girls.
smells amazing. Did you smell it?
I did.
Wait, whose shot is this?
Yours. Salud!
Cheers, Merry Christmas, girl.
Don't make ugly faces. You're on camera.
You have to make a cute face. Ready, go.
That was super easy.
It was no need to make one.
Winter Jack.
Who had the cutest face after the shot? That's a game. That's a drinking game. How good was it?
Wait, what did you say, Chef?
Yeah.
Stephanie. That was a
We
rookie
messing
mistake.
up Jenny's tree now, child.
Oh, I did right there.
Mistake.
That was a rookie mistake.
You was a rookie.
Party foul.
party
Give me your
foul.
card. Let's get this right. That's okay. Y'all want to be some lanes? I'll turn this mother out. Bye bye.
Wait, chill. Go back there and do that little Christmas tree booty.
I didn't get paid for this.
And she assumed the position.
That's very super to me. My name is Gary. Oh, comment. SquarePants. Hell yeah.
Come on.
You guys are never gonna get this. Here, you want to?
Try me. Try me.
All right. Hello, my name is Daffy Duck, Rabbit, Bud.
Bugs?
What's
Bugs
the
Bunny?
There you go. Okay.
Say Megan again.
Hello, my name is Gaston Bell.
Oh,
Beauty and the Beast.
no.
Beauty and
Bell.
Mrs. Potts.
Beauty and the Beast. Bell. What's a little teapot's name?
Okay, not Bell.
Oh.
Beast.
Okay. Now I'm talking about
Look at mine. Just go look music as the Beast. You need a card?
So
Beauty. Bring it on.
this is.
Grinch's wife over there.
I look like the Grinch's wife. Oh my God. Okay. So this is. Hello, my name is Thriller.
Who niggas don't get it?
I didn't even get to get. I'm like, this is so easy.
Y'all ain't gonna get mad, period. Ain't no way.
Oh, it's on me.
Hello, my My name is Nurse, Hospital, Doctor, Jack people. Give me this other card. Well, let me get it. What is it? Nurse, Hospital, Doctor, Florence Nightingale.
Oh, bye.